Hi, hello and namaskar. So welcome to another video of Fine Dining Indian, inspired by my travels and international experiences. So bringing back to Indian cuisine. So today we're making a prawn skewer with some peppers, and the skewer we're using is lemongrass, and that is placed with a chickpea salad. That's a homemade chickpea salad with chaat masala and some onion tomatoes, and drizzle with yogurt. So enjoy this one. This you can try it at home. Prawns is already cleaned. You need to make sure you take out the vein. You can use plain oil or olive oil or mustard oil. So this one, maybe we use olive oil, gingergarlic paste, chili powder. When you grill something, you don't need too much masala. It tends to burn everything. So ensure just enough. Salt. You can use lemon juice. You can put a touch of turmeric too. Touch of chaat masala, orange color peppers, and a bit of onions. It's already cut into flakes, so okay, mix it all together. I'm putting some curry leaf as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's see. Okay. Right, I'm using lemongrass instead of the skewer. You can use bamboo skewer if you have. Lemongrass, why I'm using, because it gives a flavor too. Then skewer the prawns, curry leaf, with pepper, then prawns again. And ensure each time you wash your hand properly and then sanitize. If not, you have gloves, you can use a gloves as well. Okay, and then put your onions. Okay, so that's a skewer. You need to make it ready. We make one more. So the prawn skewers are ready. We can keep it in the fridge. When we want to grill it, we can use it. So the pan is hot with a touch of oil. The prawn is already marinated. So what I'm just going to touch, it's slight Maggi seasoning. Then place the prawn. Put a bit of butter, and that helps the cooking. And then increase the flavor as well. But if you're using a robata or a grill, you can just use melted butter to base it on the top. Use a brush. Now turn it. Yeah, nice color. But this prawn is not cooked, so maybe we need to cover and cook it. So I took a small lid, just cover it. Okay, so the prawn is cooked. Slowly open it. Now just switch it off and then transfer it to a plate. And we can plate with the salad and the sauce. Okay, it's ready. Okay, spoon in the chickpea. Chickpea, onion, chaat masala, tomato, a bit of green chili we added. So we just put on the plate the chickpea salad we made before. So the chickpea is there, a bit of chili we added, chaat masala, mint, onion, tomato. So if you have some tamarind chutney or mint chutney, you can drizzle it around. It's open. It's just an idea. You can improvise how you want it. Okay, so I'm going to put the prawns on the top. Give a height. Fair enough. Just drizzle some yogurt on the top. Pickled shallots, what we have before made. I'm just going to place that pickled shallots as well. So just drop some of the pickled shallots. Touch of chaat masala to sprinkle. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so you enjoy watching the prawn skewer video recipe. So do try at home. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and then watch our other videos. And do share this with your friends. Thank you.